Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of GK series for SSC CGL Examination 2025. From today I am going to start this series with most important MCQ questions which will definitely be helpful for your exam preparation. And more one thing that you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. You can join and download from there. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's begin this series with the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following musician is famous for playing the sarod? Option number A will be the right answer, Amjad Ali Khan. Question number 2. Which of the following correctly represents the formula of net investment? Option number B is the right answer. Net investment is equal to gross investment minus depreciation. Question number 3. Which team won the first ever ICC Men's Cricket World Cup in 1975? Option number C is the right answer, West Indies. Or question number 4. Which educational institution was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1975 to promote modern education among Muslims? Option number C is the right answer, Aligarh Muslim University. Question number 5. Which classical dance form was revived and promoted by Rukmini Devi Arundale? Which classical dance form was revived and promoted by Rukmini Devi Arundale? Option number B is the right answer, Bharatnatyam. Question number 6. Bhilai steel plant, one of India's major steel plants, is located in which state? Option number B is the right answer, Chhattisgarh. Question number 7. The Kailash temple at Ellora was built during the reign of which Rashtrakoot ruler? Option number C is the right answer, Krishna I. Question number 8. Thaipusam, a Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Murugan, is widely celebrated in which Indian state? Option number A is the right answer, Tamil Nadu. Question number 9. Which lake in Kerala is the longest in India? Option number A is the right answer, Vembananath Lake. Question number 10. Which Indian Sitar Bhattoso won the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1999? Bharat Ratna. Option number B is the right answer, Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question number 11. Which microorganism is primarily responsible for nitrogen fixation in leguminous plants? Nitrogen fixation. Option number B is the right answer, Rhizobium. Question number 12. Who was proclaimed as the Emperor of India during the revolt of 1857? Emperor of India during the revolt of 1857, and the right answer will be the option number B, Bahadur Shah II. Question number 13. Which country hosted the first ever Winter Olympic in 1924? Which country hosted the first ever Winter Olympic in 1924? Option number D will be the right answer, Chamonix, France. 14. Which Indian woman won a silver medal in badminton at the 2016 Rio Olympics? Which Indian woman won a silver medal in badminton at the 2016 Rio Olympics? Option number C is the right answer, PV Sindhu. 15. Fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by which Amendment Act? Option number A is the right answer, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Question number 16. Which constitutional amendment made the right to education a fundamental right under Article 21A? Which constitutional amendment made the right to education a fundamental right under Article 21A? Option number B is the right answer, 86th Amendment. Question number 17. In which year was the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PMJDY launched? Option number A is the right answer, 2014. Question number 18. Which Chinese traveler visited India during Harshavardhana's reign? Option number D is the right answer, Huan 19. Which phylum does a starfish belong to? Option number B, Mollusca. 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the election of the Vice President? Election of the Vice President. Option number C is the right answer, Article 66. 21. Who became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal in badminton? Who became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal in badminton? Again, PV Sindhu is the right answer, option number D. Question number 22. During which 5-year plan was the Green Revolution introduced in India? Very important question. Option number C is the right answer, third 5-year plan. 23. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4? What is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4? Option number A is the right answer, +6. 24. Which deficiency causes rickets in children is the question. Here is the option number C will be the right answer, vitamin D. 25. Who threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929 along with Bhagat Singh? Another one is option number C, Bhattacharya Dutt. 26. In which Indian state is Govindji Nartanalaya located? In which Indian state is Govindji Nartanalaya located? Option number A is the right answer, Manipur. 27. Hemis festival celebrated in the Hemis monastery is associated with which Indian Union territory? Is the question. Option number A is the right answer, Ladakh. 28. The Junagadh inscription of Rudradaman mentions conflicts with which Indian dynasty? Junagadh inscription of Rudradaman. Option number B is the right answer, Satavahana dynasty. Question number 29. Who was the military commander of Alauddin Khilji who led the conquest of Devagiri? Option number A is the right answer, Malik Kafur. 30. What is the IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH? Option number B is the right answer, ethanol. 31. Which theory explains the inverse relationship between interest rates and the demand for money? Inverse relationship. Remember it, inverse relationship between interest rates and demand for money. Option number D is the right answer, liquidity preference theory. 32. Which of the following reaction is an example of redox reaction? Option number C is the right answer, Zn plus CuSO4 is equal to ZnSO4 plus Cu. 33. In which year was the National Lata Mangeshkar Award first instituted? In which year was the National Lata Mangeshkar Award first instituted? Option number A is the right answer, 1994. 34. Which ecosystem has the highest biodiversity? Option number C is the right answer, tropical rainforest. 35. In which state of India is Kood or Tanka used for water harvesting? Kood or Tanka used for water harvesting. Option number A is the right answer, Rajasthan. 36. In In which layer of the atmosphere are jet stream primarily found? Option number A is the right answer, troposphere. 37. At which latitude does the easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India during the summer months? Option number B will be the right answer, 10 degree north to 15 degree north, approximately around 14 degree latitude. (38) What was the literacy rate of India as per the 2011 census? Is a question. Option number C will be the right answer, 74.04%. And if I talk about the highest literacy state, highest Kerala 94% and lowest is Bihar 61.80%. Okay, and male literacy rate, male is 82.14% and female literacy rate 65.46%. Okay? You have to remember this and move on to the next question. 39. Under which article of the Indian Constitution does the governor exercise his executive power of the state? Under which article of the Indian Constitution does the governor exercise executive power of the state? I mean, executive power of the governor is mentioned in which article? Option number B will be the right answer, Article 154. Question number 40. Which legendary playback singer lent his voice in both Bengali and Marathi for Amar Bhupali 1952? Option number D is the right answer, Manna De. Question number 41. Who presided over the Lok Sabha session? Who presided? Option number C is the right answer, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 42. Who introduced the policy of subsidiary alliance in India? Option number B is the right answer, Lord Wellesley. 43. At which Olympics was Kho-Kho featured in an exhibition in the main stadium? At which Olympics was Kho-Kho featured in an exhibition in the main stadium? Very important question. Option number B is the right answer, 1952 Helsinki Olympics. 44. Nuakhai is the state festival of which Indian state? Nuakhai is the festival of which state? Option number B is the right answer, Odisha. 45. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits providing any religious instruction in the educational institution maintained by the state? Option number D is the right answer, Article 28. 46. Under which of the following acts was the power to rule India transferred from the English East India Company to the British Crown? Easy plus important. Option number C is the right answer, the Government of India Act 1858. 47. Which of the following is an inactivated polio vaccine developed in 1952? Option number B is the right answer, Salk vaccine. 48. What is the approximate total route length of Indian Railways as of 2024? Option number C is the right answer, 69,181 km. And the 49 question, in Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, the cost of unit assistance is shared between the central and state governments in the ratio dash in plain areas. Option number A is the right answer, 60:40. During which months does the Lu winds usually occurs in India? Is it the last question? Option number C is the right answer, May to June. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for getting more content like this. Keep learning, keep watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.